friends, it's your favorite internet big sis, and I'm back today to show you my beauty secret. If this is your first time here, my name is Lara and I'm so happy to have you here. And if this is your second time here, hey girl, what you been in? So obviously WOC has been like bombarding me with emails and trying to force me to come on their platform to show the beauty secrets. I wanted to come in here and share it with you guys first, obviously. Like, tell WOC to calm down. Like, I'll come when I'm ready, okay? I'm gonna come when I'm ready, okay? I'm really showing you a very simple, easy makeup routine that anybody can do. You can use any products, any ones you like, and you can get like a very beautiful together look. Before we start, you can see that my skin doesn't it look like plump and moisturized? It looks juicy. You can see the dewiness to it, and that's what you call a good skincare routine, and I've already did it. And it's very simple. You're gonna wash your face. Step number one. Don't forget that step. I've been using this Snail Mucilin for a month or two. I've been using this for like 3 months, and I think I like it. So I go ahead and use this. My favorite vitamin C drops out your face. Then you're gonna go with a moisturizer. Any moisturizer you like. I like La Roche-Posay. I like this baby here. You can see how much I use it. She's finished. So go ahead, try this La Roche-Posay product. And then whatever skin sunscreen you like, you go ahead and put that on, and that's it really. It's reasonable. You know, go ahead and try it. You know, if you don't like the Snail Mucilin, use a toner, use whatever. Rose water, whatever you want to use, it works. And if you need to start off with a good foundation, and I've already done my hair, do you like it? It's cute. So we know and we've heard, the girls have been talking about this, everyone talks about this, but we're gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Actually, I actually like to start off with my eyebrows first. So this is my favorite eyebrow pencil. You can never go wrong with the NYX brow pencil. And I just try and fill in my brows, because you can see that I don't have a lot of them. I go in and I fill in my brows. And I like to do that first because I feel like it gives your face some type of shape, some frame. It's a good place to start. I'm quite heavy-handed with my application just because I'm not patient enough to do like the one stroke feather thing. I'm just not patient enough for it. So I kind of just draw it in and brush as I go so it can look as natural as possible. It doesn't really matter how messy it looks because I'm always gonna go in with concealer and clean it up anyways. Now we get our Milk Hydro Grip primer, and we kind of put it in the most important places. So I get about this much, you can see. I like to put my forehead because I actually put makeup on my forehead. But I think it's most important here in these places. You want the makeup to last the longest here. And kind of let this dry down because you want it to have like a sticky texture before you apply your makeup. How are you doing, friends? Like, what's been going on with you? Like, how is life? Like, what's been bothering you? What's been annoying you? Like, tell me, spill the tea. What is the tea? Do say, even though I haven't tried it, say the e.l.f. one is like killing it, like the e.l.f. primer. But these are my beauty secrets, not my beauty suggestions. Okay, so it's starting to get sticky in texture. Can you see? It can dry down a little bit more, but in the meantime, so right now we're gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer in Warm Sand. I've been experimenting with my makeup a lot lately, just because like there was nothing wrong with my routine that I had before, but there's always a but. I've always felt like I could look a bit more elevated, if I'm being really honest. And I wasn't in love with my own routine, so I've been experimenting with my makeup a lot. And also I'm kind of bored because I always have the same type of makeup anyways. I've been following this routine for a while now, and I can't lie, I love it. Oh yeah, and another thing with Born This Way concealer, I think people love it, but there is a specific way to use it. You have to let it dry down a lot, because I've made a mistake and blended in too early, and all it does is just run, especially under your eyes. It literally separates and runs. So let your concealer like just dry up a little bit. So in the meantime, this is when I clean up my eyebrows, because you know we've got the time. But I'm going to take a little bit more of this and put it on my brush, and ignore how dirty my brushes are. I'm just a lazy biatch and I haven't cleaned them for some reason. But always clean your brushes because your makeup always comes out better. That's a tip, that's a beauty secret for you. But you can see the placement of my concealer. So 2 dots under my eyes. Once I blend this in, it's gonna be snatching me up. Just need a little bit on the chin, on the cupid's bow, you know. Very simple. You're gonna go in and clean your eyebrows. I always like to clean up under first. And take the time to give your eyebrows the shape you like. Okay, so this is the brows after I've cleaned them up. It's pretty simple. Again, just using your concealer to shape and give your brows the shape you need. And then we're gonna go in with this brush. Don't know what it's called, but it's from Real Techniques. And we're gonna kind of blend everything out, you know? Give that, you know, razzle dazzle. There is like a slight technique that I'm also still learning when it comes to blending out concealer. But you want to try to kind of like spread it out and not drag, and use a tapping motion to tap your concealer in, like so. And when I'm doing my everyday looks, I don't like that extremely bright under eye. This is pretty bright though, but I don't like it when it's extremely bright, like a lot of products, because I think maybe I'm trying to make it feel almost like skin a little bit, like elevated skin. Because I don't want to look like I'm not wearing no makeup at all. Because you know, what's the point of putting makeup to look like you're not wearing makeup? What's the point of doing that? But I still don't want it to be, I don't know, like a lot. Like there's days where I want my makeup to look a lot and really out there and really like bold. But today is not one of those days. I want it to be very simple. Like you can wear kind of any outfit with this kind of look. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, I am using the underpainting technique. I love underpainting. I feel like it's a game changer, and it's not one of those things like it's just trendy and everyone's doing now. I think I can actually do this like for good. So I have a variety of blushes I can use, but I'm gonna go in with my Merit Mood blush. Typically you're supposed to get like a brush and apply it, but I want it to look kind of like heavy on my skin. So I want to go in and just kind of brush it on there. That colour is such a good colour. I'm going to take my contour stick and also put in the contour lines while I am here. Why not? That was so aggressive. Oh, my nose nearly forgot. I have two brushes here with me, and I'm going to use one to blend the contour and one to blend the, what's this thing called again? The blush. I forgot that I also like a little blush on my nose. I'm trying to do like up swoop motions. And kind of blend the contour into the blush. Makes like a kind of like cute new colour. One thing I've learned this year about makeup is do your hair after your makeup, number one. But one thing I actually really have learned about makeup is placement really does matter. It changes everything about your makeup look and what's going on with your makeup. It's actually very, very important. I like to bring my contour into my eyebrow and eyelid. Kind of gives you like a fake eyeshadow look, slightly, you see? It's kind of giving an eyeshadow look. Just using my concealer brush. I'm gonna blend everything in. I'm just gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray right now. Okay, then you're gonna go in. This is my new favorite foundation. I have a few favorites, but I've been using this one for the most part, which is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Marquise Medium Deep. So I'm gonna get a bit of her, put her on my hand. You don't need a lot, just a bit. About this much. And then I'm gonna tap this in there, my foundation brush, and kind of like get rid of all the harsh lines. This is my favorite part of the makeup stage. It's like magic, literally. A little bit more foundation on here. Oh, it comes together so nicely. Put some on my neck too, but why not? I'm gonna go in and pat down my concealer again, just to give it the finish that I want. I feel like I can't see my blush anymore, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more back on, just a little bit more. This is where we're at. Simple, clean makeup. Well, anyways, I don't care if it's clean or not. This is why I love underpainting. I feel like everything it just brings everything together, and I think it kind of takes away all the harsh lines that you have sometimes with makeup. And I think this is the perfect stage to kind of get rid of the harsh lines. Like you can see that I have a harsh line under my brow, so I go back in with this just to kind of just blend it all out. Blend everything all out. skin like makeup routine. Yes. Well, I'm happy with this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything in place because we don't want it to move. This is where you get the perfect finish. We always start off with our favorite girl, Laura Mercier. I love her. She's been there for me through thick and thin. She does everything that I need her to do. She shows up for me when I need her the most. When I love makeup, or when I have a very subtle look, or even when I'm doing like a big exaggerated look, she's there for me, and I just want to tell you how much I love you, Miss Laura Mercier. Love you too, babe. I've been using Laura Mercier probably the longest out of all of my makeup. She's been so good to me. You're gonna just press it in. Well, this is what I do. But I don't find it scary. It literally looks like I'm about to take out my eye. But press her in. Sometimes I still do bake and stuff, but for this routine I don't really, because I just want it to be quick. I don't want to have to wait around and things like that. I want it to be quick as possible. Just press her in. I do like to put some down the middle of my nose, because concealer was there, so I squeezed the brush and press her in between my nose. And the little goes a long way. You don't need to put too much on. Everywhere you place the concealer, you just press a bit in there. Can I get the Fenty Beauty in Thick Mint? If I'm being honest, I do want to go a shade lighter too, but I still do like it. I like the way it looks, brings my makeup together. But I get a bit of that and I put it where I contour, just to kind of bring the contour back out again. And I kind of do this upwards kind of motion into the blush. I only kind of do this on my face though, I don't do it all over my face. I mean on my cheek, sorry. And brush her upwards into the face. It kind of gives your face like a structure, because I have a very round face. And, which is nothing wrong with it, but I look a little bit snatched when I can. I'll just kind of use the excess to do the rest of my face. Now I have the Juvia's Place bronzer in dark. I like both colours, but I like this kind of reddy colour to kind of bring out the blush, and just that, and kind of bring out some colour. And I feel like it goes so well with any blush. Any blush colour you use, it always brings it out. Gives your makeup that extra that Go back to the Thick Mint. We're gonna just put some on our nose a little bit, just to kind of bring those shadows out. Again, you can brush it into this as well. Gives your eyelids a lovely colour. I have a powder that's more my skin tone. I usually go over my face with it. I've lost it, so I'm gonna just use this colour, a little bit of it, not too much. I would put some on and I'll literally pat it down on here and just kind of like fill in, blend everything in, bring it all together. So I have this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and it's like brown colours. Nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna go in and mix this colour up here and this colour, and kind of like shape my eyes with that. Nothing too crazy, just a little like eye shape. And this is it after. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more to get rid of the harsh lines. Just blend it a little bit. Kind of sultry, you know, it's like a sultry look. I kind of love it. We're gonna go in and put some lashes and mascara on, you know. You can't forget your lashes and your mascara. I don't actually always wear lashes. Sometimes I just wear mascara and I kind of just leave it at that. But today I'm kind of feeling sultry. I want my eyes to look mysterious, so I'm gonna be wearing lashes. But we have to put mascara on first. I don't know if people still do this, but I always put mascara on before I put my lashes on. You can literally leave the makeup look here, but I'm gonna add mascara. But I forgot one very major important step before the mascara. Setting spray. I always forget this step at this point. I don't know why, but go in and set or makeup. I'm scared to put it on now because I think my mascara might run, but let's just do it, whatever. Your setting spray dries, you're gonna get your favorite pair of lashes. This is my favorite pair of lashes. So cute. I've only been using these lashes for the past couple months. I think it has the perfect blend of dramatic and kind of like wispy, so that's why I like it. Isn't she so pretty? Okay, so I have my lashes on, and yes, they're very dramatic and they're big, but I love it. I think it gives me the look that I want. I have one more step, very important step, we cannot miss this, and I know you're gonna guess what it is. It's the lip look. We need something to bring everything together. Oh my god, how do you guys feel about fake lashes on the bottom eyelid? Not, what is this called? Is this eyelid? Whatever. What do you think about eyelashes on your bottom lashes? I've never tried it before, but I don't know if I'm mad at it, because I would like to have a bit, you know, of a longer look on there, but I don't really see people doing it either. But tell me what you think about that. But we're gonna go in with the lip. I like using this color. It's like a nice brown. It's the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in Brownie. We're gonna use two colors. We're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty lip balm in this color. I forgot the color name. I've got a bit more on. Ooh, this is really pretty. And then I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place in Mochaccino and just put it in the middle of your lips. And we are done. Yes to the look, baby. How easy was that? What do we think? This is my everyday makeup look. I love it. You can't go wrong with it. Keep going until you find stuff that works for you. Don't be too hard on yourself and think you need to get every single product in the world. Get the few that you need, the basics, the concealer, contour, foundation, eyebrow, one eyeshadow palette, and you know, get yourself together. Be cute, yeah. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video, especially if you watched to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye friends.